Morning, students. Welcome back to our class. How are you? I hope that you all are keeping fine. The last class we discussed how to write a program. Okay? Before writing a program, you have to prepare algorithm and flowchart. After that, we can start writing the program using any computer programming language. Here, unit 3, we are going to learn the Java programming language. Java programming language. Okay, unit 3, Java statement. Java is a powerful general purpose programming language. It is used to develop desktop and mobile applications. Big data processing, embedded system, and so on. According to Oracle, the company that owns Java runs on 3 billion devices worldwide. See, Java runs 3 billion devices in the worldwide. Here we can understand the importance of the popularity of this Java language. The Java which makes one of the most popular programming language. Java is one of the most popular programming language. What is Java? Java is a programming language and a platform. Java is a high-level, robust, object-oriented and secure programming language. Java is a high-level language, it is an object-oriented language, and it is a very secure programming language. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems, which is now the subsidiary of Oracle in the year 1995. It was developed in the year 1995 by Sun Microsystems, now the subsidiary of Oracle. James Hosling is known as the father of Java. Who is the father of Java? James Hosling. Before Java, its name was Oak. O-A-K. The name was Oak. Since Oak was already is registered company, so James Hosling and his team changed the Oak name to Java. Okay, this is about the origin of Java programming language. Then platforms. Any hardware or software environment in which a platform runs, which a program runs. Any hardware or software environment in which a program runs is known as a platform. What is platform? Where the program is run, or which are the hardware or software is needed or environment is needed to run the program. That is called a platform. Since Java has a runtime environment and API. It is called a platform. It is called a platform. The next type of Java application. Types of Java application. There are mainly four types of applications. There are mainly four types of applications that can be created using Java program. There are four types of applications that can be created using Java program. First one, standalone application. Okay, first one. Standalone applications are also known as desktop applications or window-based applications. It's also known as window-based application or a desktop application. These are traditional software that we need to install on every machine. Examples of standalone applications are media player, antivirus, etc. AWT and Swing are used in Java for creating standalone applications. Okay, AWT and Swing are used in Java for creating standalone applications. The next web application. Java is using for a web application. An application that runs on the server side and creates a dynamic pages is called a web application. What is web application? An application that runs on the server side and creates a dynamic page is called a web application. Currently, Servlet, JSP, Struct, Spring, Hibernate, JSF, etc. These technologies are used for creating web applications in Java. Okay, these technologies are used web applications in Java. Next, enterprise application. Next one is the enterprise application. An application that is distributed in nature, such as banking application, etc., is called enterprise application. Okay, distributed in nature, such as banking application, etc., is called the enterprise application. It has advantages of the high level security. Okay, see, there are advantages high level security, load balancing and clustering. In Java, EJB, short form, EJB is used for creating enterprise application. In Java, EJB is used for creating enterprise application. The next one is popular for creating mobile application. An application which is created for mobile devices is called a mobile application. Currently, Android and Java ME are used for creating mobile applications. Android application and Java ME applications are creating mobile applications. The next features of Java. What are the features of Java? The primary objective of Java programming language creations was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. Okay, primary objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which play an important role in the popularity of this language. Okay, for the popularity of the language, there are some features, some important features are there. The features of Java are also known as Java buzzword. The features of Java is known as Java buzzword. Then see the features. Just see the figure and understood what are the features of Java. So many features are there. Okay. Java is very easy to learn, very easy to learn, and its syntax is very simple. We can very easy to learn Java language, and its syntax is also very simple, clear and easy to understand. You can very clearly, clean and easy to understand. Just see the code. You can very clearly and easy to understand the code or programming codes. According to Sun Microsystem, Java language is a simple programming language. According to the Sun Microsystem, according to Sun Microsystem company, they are saying that it is very simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++. C++ is a one computer language. It is based on Java syntax is based on C++ only. So easier for programmers to learn it after C++. Then Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features. Okay, then the base is C++. Java is removed many complicated and rarely used features. For example, explicit pointers related to programming, explicit pointers, operator overloading. These are the examples. This type of complicated and rarely used features are removed from C++. It's based on C++ language. It's very easy and very simple to use. Then Java basic input and output. Then see, say, what is this? Flowchart. It's a flowchart for a program. First start, then input first number, input second number, then sum is equal to first number plus first second number, then print the sum and end the program. And the second flowchart is the start, input the length, then that is a processing area, then there you can find the area of the input, the length into length. Area is equal to length into length. The both length are equal. That is the case of a square. Okay, the same. Length into length or side into side. Then print the area, then end the program. Okay, then next, how to write a Java program. Some particular syntax is there for writing Java program. For an example, the first syntax is print. Then inside this parenthesis, plus bracket, two brackets are there. This is called parenthesis. Then print. This function prints the output in the same line until a new line character appears. See, print command or print syntax. What is? Print the output in the same line until a new line character appears. See the example, system.out.print. System.out.print command. Then my inside the semicolon for writing my. Then again system.out.print. Then country inside the quotation mark. Okay, then what output we can see on the screen? See the output, my country, the same line, in one line, we can see the output. This is a simple or sample program of Java. Okay, which command we use? The command is print. Using print command, you can write this program. Okay, instead of my, you can use any other country. So you can write my school, then the output will be my school. Or instead of country, you can write a name, then my name. According to your need, you can change the program. Then next, print ln function, print ln. This function prints the output in a new line. See the output. Program is same, but the function is different. The first one, there was print, only print, then here add two words, two letter L and N. Print ln. Function print the output in new line. See, example, system dot out dot print ln my. System dot out dot print ln country. See, output is my first line, country in the second line. Okay, then is my name, my in first line, my in the second line, you can see name. This way we can write the program. That's a very simple example, the simple example how to write a program. Okay, then two functions are here, print and print ln. Okay, the next class we will learn detail about writing the Java program. More examples we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.